In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make hard crosshair in Overwatch 2. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. To do this, we open Battle.net and click play to open the game. We open Overwatch. To change our crosshair, we click menu at the bottom right. After doing this, we click options. Then click controls from the top. From the reticle section, we click advanced to customize our crosshair. After doing this, we set type the box. You can choose whatever you want here, but I will choose this one to show it in the video. After selecting the type, we choose any color we want. Then we set thickness to 1. We set rotation to 0. We make the crosshair length to 25. The opacity to 8. We make the outline color black and make the outline opacity to 100. We make outline thickness 3 and shift 1. We select the dot type as hard. After doing this, we set dot size to 10 and opacity to 100. We also set show accuracy to on. We set our crosshair as hard. We can change the type if we want. If we only want it to be hard, we need to select dot as the type. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.